Stay on the ground! All the way down! Flip over! Flip over! Give me your hands behind your back! Get them behind your back! Yes! Kilo 5420, Marion. Give me your other hand! 17th Street Highway 200. Had a motorcycle flee for me. I am 1015 on it.
Good officer.
Yeah. Put your knees up to your chest.
Confirming you're 1015 on a 1031.
I get my bike up. He fled, and I was able to stop him in traffic. He hit me with his motorcycle. I am 10-4. Go ahead and roll matters. Knees up to your chest.
Thanks for being 1033.
All the way up.
Sorry about that, man.
Why are you fleeing, dude?
I didn't have my plate on and I freaked out. Sorry.
Dude, you hit me head on with that bike.
1098, 1033, 1221 hours.
I just need a unit. I got nowhere to secure this guy.
I'm nothing on me.
Why are you fleeing?
I had my no plate on. I don't know.
You see me trying to pull you over.
Yeah,
you heard my siren, right? Where'd your wallet go? Is it in here? You got a license?
Yes, sir.
Why are you fleeing? What is wrong with you?
Man. Stupid.
Dude, you went around me. I tried to pull you over. I really don't understand. If you would have... You got a CDL. You're going to jail today for fleeing and looting.
For real?
Yeah, for real. What's up with the bike? There's no tag on it.
I have a tag. I have everything at home. I was literally going to Lakeland. I didn't want to pay the toll, so I took the tag off.
Wow. You didn't want to pay the toll, so you took the tag off.
Now,
Yes, you are. Is this vehicle registered to you?
yes, sir.
Hey, do you want to just pull up behind him?
He started fleeing from me back here, started cutting between traffic. Well, he had to slow down with all the traffic. I was able to zip up here, pull in front, cut him off. After I cut him off, he tried to go around me. I jumped out of my car and he freaking revved it and hit me.
That's when he dropped it.
Yeah, well, I